News from Pakistan. The former Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif has been granted a 2-day bail by the Islamabad High Court. This as Sharif's health has worsened over the last few weeks. He's been put on oxygen support as well. Pakistan media has reported that there is a special plane that has arrived from a friendly nation at Pakistan's Noor Khan Air Base to airlift the ailing Nawaz Sharif. This friendly nation is widely assumed to be Saudi Arabia. The crucial question now is, will he be allowed to travel abroad or not? The case against him is now fixed to be heard on Tuesday. Sources say that his is an interim bail until Tuesday for a surety bond of 2 million Pakistani rupees. The government lawyers did not oppose the interim bail, it seems, but this happened after the High Court informed the government that the onus of Nawaz Sharif's health will be on them. However, Nawaz Sharif is on the exit control list that bars him from going abroad. His sons have asked for him to be moved to London for treatment. Doctors treating Sharif have said that the 69-year-old suffered a minor heart attack, but the services hospital in Lahore has denied the claim on Sharif having a heart attack. Earlier, Sharif's lawyer told the court that the PMLN leader remained critical as his platelet count continued to drop. However, the lawyer of Pakistan's top anti-corruption body, the National Accountability Bureau, argued that Sharif could not be allowed to travel abroad in this condition and that he should remain hospitalized in Pakistan. Sharif, who has been jailed in a corruption case and faces trials in a series of other money laundering cases, earlier directing his ministers not to speak on Sharif's health, PM Imran Khan said that he will oblige if the court allows Sharif to seek treatment in a foreign country. Nawaz Sharif is a free man for now, but let's delve a bit into Pakistani history. How was a 3-time Prime Minister of a country declared ineligible to be even a member of Parliament? His daughter and son-in-law have also been convicted and are facing charges. How has he come to this pass? Well, a lot of it has to do with Pakistani army, or the puppeteer, as it's infamously called. Pakistan Army battles with his politicians are as old as Pakistan. Likewise, the army's relations with Nawaz have never been easy since his ouster by Musharraf and an exile in Saudi Arabia. After all, he threatened to put on trial a former army chief, Parvez Musharraf. Another reason for Sharif's inability to develop better ties with various state institutions stem from him preferring, in fact, to go alone when it came to taking strategic decisions like talks with India. Now, Pakistanis saw hope in Nawaz Sharif's victory in 2013, that democracy was finally taking roots in their country. But the army did not feel the same. Case in point, Imran Khan's month-long Azadi march against alleged rigging. In fact, the rigging of the 2013 elections, this was allowed to go on. The army refused to intervene. Now, some consider Imran Khan's anti-Sharif politics a game-changer for his own party's political fortunes. And 5 years down the line, in 2018, the Khan's victory did not seem like a simple case of him winning the ballot boxes to many. From a liberal cricketer, Imran Khan had transformed into a conservative populist who ticked the right boxes for the military to allow him to rise to power. But the fact is, Imran Khan's amicable relationship with the army may not last long. He may face what his previous political opponents have experienced so far. He has been seeming to have been following the do's and don'ts of the rules laid out by the Pakistani army. He is not addressing the core issue of civil-military imbalance in the country. He is not making policies independent of the military's vested interests. Case in point, the Pakistani army is soaking half of Pakistan's budget this year.